Hi guys, welcome to your second C++ tutorials. My name is Timus, and before I start, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for more updates. So let's start. So we'll be creating a new page. You can go to file, new, then source file. You see, or use a shortcut which is Control N. You see, so I'll be typing in something, then when I'm done I will explain it. So please, let's pay attention and watch, and don't skip anything, because when you do that you find things difficult. So I'm typing. Okay, sorry for keeping you. So we have include iOS stream, and any code which starts with hashtag is a directive, and the iOS stream is a what? It's a preprocessor. Now the iOS stream and the include iOS stream is not a code for the program to run, but it's a compiler. It's not a code. The include iOS stream is not a code, but it's indication of a compiler to include some existing C++ code in your program. Hope you get me. Indication for the compiler to include some C++ code on your program. You see, so this one, the iOS stream is a preprocessor, then the hashtag include is a directive using namespace std. Now std does not stand for sexual transmitted disease. It stands for standard library, and we know what a library is. Library stores different kinds of books and things. So this standard library too also stores different kinds of code, which will be calling them into our codes or into our way. You see, now the int main, this one, int main, int is an integer. The int is an integer. Then the main with a parenthesis. A parenthesis is those two brackets there. It's a function. If you see anything with those two brackets there attached to something, is a function. So the main is a function. The int is a data type. You see, the int is a data type. And whilst we are moving on, you know what a data type is, and you know what a function too is. So the function int main is a function. It's like the main is like a mother. You can't give birth without a mother. You see, so it's like this is a mother, and inside the mother we have the children inside. So which means any code will be running. Any code will be running will be called inside our main function. Any code will be running will be called inside our main function. Please hope you get me. Yeah. So that's how it goes. So I'll be cleaning this one and I'll put a code inside so that we'll know. This is my first code. Okay, so you can see my first code, then C out hello world end line. Let me explain this one. The return 0, this is return 0. It means after your code is done compiling, it should return the statement for you, which means return nothing. You see, the 0 means nothing, and the return means it should return your code for you, which will help you to execute it. Hope you get me. Yeah. So our C out hello world, we can see some 2 slashes there. This one, you can see 2 slashes here. It is a comment. It's a single commenting. We have single commenting and block commenting. Single commenting and block commenting, but this one is a single commenting, and I'll show you how the block commenting two ways. Supposing you have many sentences, you can't just be doing single commenting like this, then now like this, you see. So the only thing you need to do is the only thing you can do is you need to do a block commenting, you see. And this is how the block commenting works. Your first slash with asterisk, then the last statement to asterisk before the slash, and this is what a block commenting is. Please hope you see. So we have single commenting and block commenting. Now, what does the commenting really do in the program? The commenting helps you to make a statement. Let's say the commenting does not make your code appear on your console. The commenting does not make your codes appear on the console. All lines beginning with those 2 slash are considered commenting and do not have any effect of the outcome of your program you are running. So if you want to make your work easy, maybe you'll be doing bunch of codes. Now you can give a comment like this is the banner, then you give a comment. After that, this is your menu page. After that, this is your contact page. This is so that when glancing through, you can just see it easy. When glancing through, you can see it easy. You won't have any effect. Maybe I want to see the comments. You can't see you won't see the banner page. You can't see the banner page. Hope you get me. So if you put a comment there, it will help you to know, where this comment shows this place is the banner. It's like you dividing your notes and you write here social studies, here RME. Hope you get me. Yeah. So that's how it works. Now the C out helps you to output your program. Output what is here. It helps you to output what you've typed inside your strings. You see, and you can see the hello world. The hello world is in a string, and you can see two quotation marks there. Those quotation marks are strings. You see, those quotation marks are strings. So the hello world is in a string, and when you run your program, anything in a string will appear on your program. Hope you understand. Anything in a string will appear on your program or on the console, and I'll show you what a console is. So the C out, you can see the C out. The C out is helping you to output your thing on your console. These two less than are called the insertion operator, and it also helps you to output it on your screen. Now this one, you can see the insertion operator with the end line, which means end your statement. You are ending the statement, move to another statement. You see, end line, end the statement and move to another statement. So that's how it works. So let me save the work and run it, then we'll see how it goes. Before that, this one is compile, this one is run, and this one is compile and run. So let me save it and let's see. work. You can save it with any name you want of your choice. Just create a folder, then save it inside. So compile. When you compile it, it will check whether it has an error in, and you can see there's no error here. There's no error here. Let me clean the semicolon or sum icon. Now don't forget, when doing your code, you exclude the sum icon and semicolon. When you do that, and when I compile my code, it will show you an error. You see, it tells you before return, semicolon before return, which means that you need to bring a semicolon here. Don't forget to exclude this in your code. If you even clean it here, there's an error in. You see, so the compile helps you to compile your codes to see whether there is an error there. Now this one is the run. When you run, it displays for you. Now you can see our hello world. Now you see my first code did not appear inside my console, you see, but the hello world in the string appeared. The hello world in the string appeared. Hope you get me. So this one too is compiling. This one, it compiles and run it for you, so it does the two things together, and we can see it, the two things together. So that's it. Now let's try something different. I'll clean the end line. We have something called the escape characters, and we can use one. This is a new line. This new line is the same as end line. It means once I'm done with the statement, it should move to a new line for me. It's the same as the end line, but the end line is declared outside and the new line is declared inside. Please know the difference. The end line is outside and the new line is what? Inside. So when I run it, no error. Sorry, it needs to be this way. It needs to be the other side. So we have the forward slash and the backslash, you see. So you need to be the back. Is it back or forward? Back. So when you run it, it works for you. You understand? Yeah. And we have tabulation. We have one called tabulation, and this is how the tabulation tool also work. You can either put it this side or this side. This is how the tabulation tool works. You can declare so much tabulation you want, you see, but I'll just put 3 there, then run my code. Now you can see it gives spaces. It helps to give spaces. Now you can see where the hello world is. So that's how the tabulation works. We have bunch of escape characters you can read on, but this is the most important I'm showing you. Yeah, this is how it works. So let me add cout hello Timmys. Then run it. Now you can see it's together. Hello world, hello Timmys. Because it's together because we didn't put any end line or new line here. That's why it's together. You see, and we can give a space inside. So if you want to give a space inside, just come here to the first one, give space here, run your code. Then you can see, give space here rather, space there rather, run your code, and you can see a space here. You see, hello world, hello Timmys. Now if you want it to break down, I told you can bring your new line or your end line, new line inside, and you can see hello world, hello Timmys. You see, or end line, new line or end line, new line or end line. It's the same thing. the same thing. Now you see, it works as the same thing, the same thing. So this is how your first coding works. First coding, hello world. This is how it works. Thank you for your time, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and wait for more updates. I'll be bringing you more tutorials, more tutorials. And let me do a recap for you. The hashtag is a directive. The hashtag is a directive. Then the IO stream preprocessor. STD is a standard library, which means we'll be including things inside. Now we have our int main curly brackets. You see, open curly brackets. Sorry, open curly brackets and close curly brackets. And our things, our return statements, counts, and everything are declared inside our main function. You see, open and closing curly brackets. So that's how it works. Thank you. Stay tuned for more, and don't forget, whilst time goes on, we'll be adding more practical questions so that I'll be trying our hands on. So you can try your hands on this one, but the next tutorials I'll be adding a practical question so that we'll try our hands on. Thank you very much, and stay tuned.